Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle. Nice to see you again. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of the Kinder Beauty Box. So first and foremost, the one thing that I like about this company was that it was founded by two amazing women. And they are Daniela Monet, and she actually said that ethical beauty shouldn't be so challenging. As well as the other founder, Ivana Lynch, and she said that she's very passionate about animals and she also loves makeup and she doesn't believe that the two should intersect, right? And this company also has three kinds of subscriptions. So the first one is $26 every month where you get 5 products. So the second one is every 3 months where it goes down to $24. And you also get a bonus box, and that's what I actually got. And then the last one is every 6 months that goes down to $23. Exactly. And each box is valued to at least $85. So I actually went online and this is the bonus box that I got, which is actually considered, oh my gosh, there's a sunlight on my face, which is actually considered as their Kinder Faves collection. And let me show you what's inside this box. So the Kinder Beauty Box says, a kinder world is a more beautiful world. And yes, enough of me talking. Let's start with the favorites beauty box, okay? So the first product here is the Dirty Lamp Ultra Night Serum, yes, which is this beauty right here. And it actually says in here that want to look like you slept a full 8 hours? Our high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep skin hydrated through the night. Wheat germ oil, nature's powerhouse of vitamin E, will bring liveliness to your night skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender, ylang ylang, and orange. Yes! And it says in here, before bedtime, you just put 2 to 3 drops of this on your palms, as well as on your hands, and tap it on the face and neck. Yes! And this is valued at $52. So let's try it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And I actually love like beauty oils. Oh my gosh. Let's try it right here. And I've heard so many great things about Dirty Lamp, so super excited to get this. This alone, I mean, it sealed the deal for this favorite beauty box. So thank you, Kinder Beauty, for this first product so far. Wow, that actually really feels very organic. It's actually a very lightweight oil. So I'm very used to using oils that are rich. So I hope that even if this is lightweight, that it will actually deliver great results on our skin. Yes! So Kinder Beauty Box, thank you for this. The second product here is the Glow Makeup Remover for all skin types. And this one is an innovative fiber technology, reusable from 1 to 3 months complex skincare tool. And they say that this is also a 5-in-1. What do they mean by 5-in-1? So it says in here that Glove not only removes makeup but also leaves the skin balanced, soft, and divine. GLOV is dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic, and gentle not only for your skin. It leaves your skin and mood soothed and comforted. And the retail value of this is $12.99. Yes. And this one is made in Poland. Yeah, so let's open this baby. Oh my gosh. I've actually haven't tried these kind of tools to clean my skin because usually I just use my hands. And if you've tried them, please let me know in the comment section below. And here you are. She's actually very soft and yeah, looking forward to using this. So I hope I get to enjoy this. And now the next product here is, the third product is the Sensuals Natural and Organic Skincare Grapefruit Turmeric Hand Repair Cream. Yes, this 100% natural cream is fast absorbing and provides deep nourishment to hard-working hands with replenishing shea and cocoa butter. It's handcrafted with organic argan, sweet almond oil, and aloe to repair and restore the skin, while pure essential oils offer a beautiful aromatherapy experience. And this retails for $8.65. And this one is made in Canada. And I actually love the size of this. It's actually sealed, so let's open the seal. I love hand creams. A girl can never have enough hand creams. And especially after washing the hands, we definitely need to apply some moisture. Yeah, so our hands won't age. Yes. So now that I've opened that, let me put some on. And here you go. It's definitely very rich. And now let's smell it. And yes, it actually smells like grapefruit. Yes. So really happy about that hand cream. And yes. So again, this is a full-size hand cream. So super happy about that. So the next product here is the Fleur and B Ice Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. Fleur, and it says in here, Fleur and B's natural anti-aging cream, Ice Baby, is packed with botanicals, vitamins, and moisturizing ingredients designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this one retails for $22. And this one is, let's see, it's made in the USA. So it's also anti-aging and firming. There you go. So for a 41 years old woman like me, I definitely need more eye cream. So I'm gonna try this in the future because I have so much eye cream in my cabinet. Yes. So the next one is, or the last one in here is the Inika Certified Organic Lip Pencil. And it says in here, accentuate the shape of lips and give them perfect definition with this creamy lip pencil. The long-wearing blend of cold-pressed botanical oils and plant waxes comes with the added benefit of pure mineral pigments to impart luscious color with superior staying power. Pigmented color with a semi-matte finish glides on to soften and soothe lips and ensure lipstick stays in place. And it retails for $22. Yes, and this one is made in Italy. Yes. So let's open this beauty. I'm actually like a lip liner queen. And usually when I do makeup, most of the time I just put the lip liner, and then after that I actually put a lip gloss on top of it. So let's actually see the color right here. Oh, it's actually like a pinky mauve shade. So let's actually try it on. Let's see how it's gonna work for my lips. And look at that! It's actually not a bad color. It's definitely a good color for every day. But you know what? Since it feels a little bit drying, I'll be right back. Let me just apply some lip gloss. And then after that, we're gonna continue with this unboxing. Yes! And I'm back, and I just added a darker lip liner around my lips as well as a lip gloss just because the lip liner on its own was too nude for my lips and I don't want to look scary. Yes! So now, let me show you the box. Sorry for the car. That's how it is when you live next to the street. Yes. So the first product here is the K-Voss New York City Perfecting Potion. And this one retails for $28. And it says, punch up your natural healthy glow with this velvety multi-use illuminating primer. This lightweight illuminating vegan cream highlighter has a glow-infused base for a universally flattering warmed up shade. Yes! And this one is made in China. So let's see this beauty. And it says in here that it's certified vegan. Certified vegan. And here she is. She's so cute. And let's see how it looks on the skin. Yes. And I just put a small amount, and it actually just gives you a little bit of sheen, but not really as illuminating as I thought it would be. So you know what? I would just say, and it smells okay. So I would just say perhaps it's okay, you know? I mean, I need to try it, but based on how I see it, it just gives you a little bit of shine, but not as illuminating as I thought it would be. Yes! And then the next product here is the Kinder Beauty 2 Eyeshadow Brush Set. And it says in here, this eyeshadow brush duo is compiled of one shader brush and one blender brush. With these two next level brushes, you can master any look, from the perfect minimalist look to a celebratory, glittery eye look to ring in the new year. It's obviously, this was a box from December because it says in here, glittery eye look to ring in the new year. And two is better than one. But here's the brushes. And I'll be honest with you, they're soft, but I don't really see anything special about this. I'm not gonna pay $20 for this. Perhaps I'm gonna use this to kind of like just soften the edges. And then the other one is just an okay blending brush. You know, I mean, it's actually quite not even right on top. I guess I'm just like really being too picky right now. But again, I'm telling you my honest truth. As a makeup artist, this is just an okay brush. I'm not gonna spend $20 for this. So now the next product here is the Delia Organics Natural Skin Therapy. And this one is a pout lip cream. And it says here, get your pout ready because this is a clean blend of butters for a hydrating and softening benefit to your lips, complete with a touch of peppermint for an instant cooling effect. Yes, this whipped lip cream will naturally provide nourishment to your pout with a soft texture that melts once it hits your skin. This will give you an all-day smooth wherever you go, and retails for $19.37. It's too small for $19.37. Oh my gosh. But let's smell it. Oh, it smells very minty. Let's actually put some on in here. Oh, it says in here that it also has almond butter, shea butter, coconut oil, peppermint, and essential oil. Oh my gosh, anything that says oil, I'm usually very happy. So let's put it right here. This actually I kind of like, you know. I mean, it starts whippy, and then once you put it on, it kind of like emulsifies into an oil. Yes, that means it's super hydrating on the lips. So if you have dry lips like me, this one will definitely help. Yes. So now the next product here is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. A purple paradise, this powerful, fast-acting gel mask naturally resurfaces, cools, and firms your skin with red seaweed, fruit enzymes, wallow bark, and aloe leaf juice to reveal greater clarity, the look of improved skin texture and tone, and a more youthful glow, all without irritating your skin. Glow Juice doubles as a leave-on spot treatment. This is the product for you if you're looking to calm, soothe, and rebalance your skin. Yes, and this one is made in the United States. Yes, oh my gosh. Let's just open this just so we get to see how it looks like. But I'm not gonna open it because I have so many masks. But here she is. Oh my gosh. And packaging is really good. You can actually see it actually is very liquidy. And let's just smell it. And look at that. Like, it's kind of like a jelly thing. And it's more than anything, it's on the lighter side of a gel form. So, we'll see how this one works, but hopefully it works as good as my other masks as well. And if it does good, we're gonna do a separate review on them. Yes! And now the last product here. Actually, there are two products. There's a little serum, Weleda, and this one is an awakening serum. There you go. And this one is made in Germany. I'm actually surprised why that one isn't actually in here. And then the last one here is the IBY Beauty Single Eyeshadow. And this one retails for $6. And it says, this is the product you've been waiting for. It's ideal for when you just want that one perfect shade of eyeshadow. IBY Beauty Single Shade Eyeshadows are ideal for spicing up your collection for your everyday needs. The compact size is comfortable for touch-ups during the day and perfect for your travel bag. Yes! So let's open this baby. As you all know, I love eyeshadows. And let's see. And this one actually comes in... I'm trying to open this. Actually, let me just destroy the box. There you go! And it comes with this plastic container. And here she is. It's actually definitely shades that I would wear. Now let's actually swatch it. It's actually nice. It's actually that like purpley brown with kind of like a pink undertone. So yeah, so definitely I'm gonna use this eyeshadow. So now let's do a recap. I got this eyeshadow, I got the mask, I got the lip cream, which I'm excited about. And we also got the illuminating primer, which was just okay, not super excited about that. As well as the two brushes, and that was valued at $20. I'm not gonna pay $20 for that. So on that collection, again, my favorite is the eyeshadow as well as the lip potion. Yes. Now, from the favorites beauty box, again, we got the Dirty Lamp Ultra Night Serum. Again, that away immediately is a favorite. And then we also had the eye cream. And you know, I love the eye cream. So far, I love those two. We got the hand cream, which I also love. We also got the glow makeup remover cloth. And we also got the lip liner. So with the favorites beauty box, I actually loved everything. And again, this is Alicat Castle. If you find this video helpful, hope you can give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, I hope that you can consider subscribing. And please don't forget to press the notification bell so you will not miss any videos. And again, this is Alicat Castle. And as I always say, let's always be kind and let's always be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. And I love you. Yeah!